Hey guys, welcome back to my channel that is still a learner. So in this video we are going to discuss 4th class English workbook answers of unit 4. So our lesson is Swami Vivekananda. In this video we are going to cover the entire worksheet answers from 4.1 to till last. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. But before that, let me tell you one thing. Okay, if you have any queries related to your particular class, you may ask me on WhatsApp also. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. Please go and join me there. Now let's see the answers. So in the first Roman, we have given one passage from the lesson itself, which is from Vivekananda the Great, Two Such Stories. So here from this passage, what we have given missing letters. Okay, now we have to fill it with the correct word. Let's see the answers. So first one is small, SMALL. Second one, family, FAMILY. Third one, divine, DIVINE. Fourth one, epic, EPIC. Fifth one, children, CHILDREN. Sixth one, beside, BESIDE. Seventh one, father, FATHER. Eighth one, mother, MOTHER. Okay, these are the 8 words from that passage. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman. So here in the second Roman we have given fill in the blanks from paragraph 1 and 2 from the lesson. Okay, let's fill it with the correct one. So first one is Narendra was born in dash, Simulia. Second one, Narendra's father was Vishwanath Datta. Third one, children called him Narendra. Fourth one, Narendra's mother spent her time in dash, in singing and narrating stories from great epics. Okay, these are the 4 blanks. Now we'll move to the third Roman, which is read the following words and fill in the missing letters. So here some words are given, means 3 words are given in a different way. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to fill it with the correct letter. Actually the word is listening. So this listening word we have given in different ways. So in the first blank we have to fill it I, so that it became listening. Next, in the second one we have to fill it yes, then in the same way it has given. Okay, so next word is narrating, NARRATING. Next word is singing, SINGING. Okay, be careful while filling these letters. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4.2. Okay, here in the first Roman we have given one passage from the childhood of Narendra to him any harm. Okay, from this passage we have given some unscrambled letters. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make it in an order so that it make a meaningful word. So one example is given, that is childhood. Okay, like that we have to do for the rest of the words. So second one is courage, COURAGE. Third one is presence, PRESENCE. Fourth one is active, ACTIVE. Next one, animals, ANIMALS. Next, favorite, FAVOURATE. Next one is meditation, MEDITATION. Okay, last word is place, PLACE. Okay guys, now we'll move to the second Roman of this worksheet, which is here we have given fill in the blanks, which is taken from paragraph 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now we'll fill this. So first one is Narendra was very dash. So answer is active, lovely and playful. Okay, second one is he dashed birds and animals. He loved birds and animals. Third one, his friends played the role of dash in the game, ministers. Fourth one, Narendra meditated like dash, little Buddha. Okay. Okay, now we'll move to the third Roman, which is study the following table and write sentences. Okay, here one table is given. By using this table, we have to make a sentences. Okay, from each column. So first one is his favorite game was hockey. Second one, his favorite game was football. Third one, his favorite game was kho. Next one, his favorite game was kabaddi. Fifth one, his favorite game was cricket. Okay, guys. Now we'll move to the next worksheet. Okay, worksheet number 4.3. Okay, in the first Roman, we have given one passage from Narendra was good to he regretted it. Okay, from that passage, what we have given, write the words in alphabetical order. One has been done for you. Okay, here some words are given to which we have to arrange in an alphabetical order. Means, let's see the example here. First example is given as games teacher never forgot question. So which alphabet come first? F will come first. That's why forgot will first come. Okay, then after F, G will come, which is games. Next N will come, which is never. Then Q will come, which is question. Then T will come, which is teacher. Like that, in this same way we have to give the answers for the rest of the given questions. So first answer is correct, error, happen, mother, wrong. Second one is boy, even, made, school, sure. Third one is feel, later, right, sun, and truth. Okay, let's move on to the second Roman, which is here one paragraph is given from the lesson, which is Narendra was good to he regretted it. So from that paragraph we have given some fill in the blanks. Now we have to fill the blank with correct means exact word. Okay, let's see the answers. So first one is Narendra answered the teacher's question dash correctly. Second one, Narendra's protest made his teacher dash to slap Narendra. Third one, dash teacher punished Narendra, geography teacher. Fourth one, Narendra's mother advised him to follow dash, truth. Fifth one, later the teacher realized his mistake and dash it, regretted it. Okay guys, these are the answers for this fill in the blanks. Now we'll move to the next worksheet of this lesson, which is worksheet number 4.4. So here in the first Roman we have given again one passage which is from Narendra was a to Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So from that passage we have given some words. Now we have to match the correct synonyms. Synonyms is nothing but meanings of the given word. So brave meaning is courageous. Like that we have to match it. So began meaning is started. Concentration meaning is attention. Hearing meaning is listening. And while meaning is during. Okay, now we'll move to the second Roman, which is here one table is given. From the with the help of this table we have to phrase a sentences. So first sentence is Narendra was an active boy. Second one, Narendra was a brave boy. Third one, Narendra was an intelligent boy. Fourth one, Narendra was a courageous boy. Fifth one, Narendra was a clever boy. Okay, these are the 5 sentences which we have made from the given table. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet. Next worksheet, which is 4.5. So here this worksheet is all about reading comprehension. In the first Roman we have given some sentences. What we have to do? So we have to put the numbers according to which event occurs first, means which situation occurs first. So against that sentence we have to put 1. Okay, like that. So first is Narendra was born on 12th January 1863. So this is the first occurrence. So second one is, so everybody started calling him Narendra. So after that He used to sit beside his mother and listen to epics. Next one is Narendra was good at studies and games. After that, he was punished by his teacher for a wrong reason. Next one, he became a great spiritual leader. And the last one is he was deeply inspired by the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, guys. So these are the answers for this first Roman. Now we'll move to the second Roman of this worksheet, which is here one passage is given. So we have to read it carefully and understand it. Okay, then only we'll be able to answer the given question. So first question is, what is the birthplace of Vivekananda? So answer is Simulia is the birthplace of Vivekananda. Second one, where is it? Where is it located? Answer, it is located in Kolkata. Third one, why was he called Narendra? Answer, it is because his name was too long to call. Okay, that's why. So fourth one, who narrated stories from epics to Narendra? Answer, his mother narrated stories from epics to Narendra. Okay, these are the answers for this given following questions. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4.6. Okay, this worksheet is all about vocabulary part. Let's see this. So in the first Roman we have given some sentences. In that sentence a word is underlined. So what we have to do, we have to find out the meaning of that underlined word. Okay, let's see. First one is the incidents of his childhood showcased his courage and intelligence. So showcased is the underlined word. So its meaning is A, concealed, B, exhibited, C, closed. Answer is B, exhibited. So second one is Abdul Kalam's message inspired us. Inspired is the underlined word. So its meaning will be A, motivated, B, elevated, C, inactivated. So answer is A, motivated. Third one is he was consoled by a prize in the quiz competition. So underlined word is consoled. So the options are A, effort, B, give comfort, C, uncomforted. So answer is B, given comfort. So fourth one, the batsman protested the decision of the umpire. Here protested is the underlined word. So options are A, accepted, B, narrated, C, objected. Answer is C, objected. So fifth one is Dronacharya tested the concentration of his disciple. So here concentration is the underlined word. So A, attention, B, attraction, C, tension. So answer is A, attention. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman. Here we have given match the following words. We have to match the opposite words. Let's see this. Showcase opposite is conceal. Forget opposite is remember. Next, regret opposite is welcome. Next, inspire opposite is conspire. Next, intelligent opposite is stupid. Next, console opposite is upset. Okay guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4.7. Here this worksheet is all about grammar part. In the first Roman we have given choose the fill in the blanks type. Okay, let's see the answers. So first one is Mahatma Gandhi was born dash 1869. Here we have to fill with the correct preposition. So the options for this is A in, B on, C at. So correct option is A in. Mahatma Gandhi was born in 1869. So let's see the second one, which is the show starts dash 6 p.m. A on, B at, C in. So the show starts at 6 p.m. Third one, it is very cool dash January. A at, B on, C in. It is very cool in January. Fourth one, this office reopens dash Monday. A on, B at, C in. So the office reopen on Monday. Let's see the fifth one, which is we play games dash the evening. A on, B at, C in. So answer is C in. We play games in the evening. So in the second Roman, we have again given the prepositions and it on. So in the blanks we have to fill with the correct preposition. So I was born dash April 2010, in April 2010. Second one, our school begins dash 9 a.m. at 9 a.m. Third one, we take our lunch dash 12 noon. So at 12 noon. Fourth one, dash what time do you usually get up? At what time do you usually get up? Fifth one, my sister's birthday is dash 9th of May. Is on 9th of May. Next, we should dash birds dash summer. We should care birds in summer. Seventh one, we need to complete our work dash in 2 days. Dash 2 days. So answer is in 2 days. Okay guys, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4.8. So this worksheet is all about again grammar part. Let's see, in the first Roman we have given prepositions. Okay, means in the sentences are given, now we have to underline the preposition in the given sentence. Let's see that. So first one is let's meet on Sunday. On is the preposition. Second one, I will watch a movie in the evening. In is the preposition. So third one, my father wakes up at 4 a.m. daily. At 4 a.m. daily. Next one, he passed 10th class in 2015. In is the preposition. Next, they got married on Thursday. On is the preposition. Okay guys, let's move on to the second Roman, which is here one table is given and with the help of that table we have to make a meaningful sentences. Okay, so in the first Roman we have given subject plus verb. In the second Roman we have given, in the second column we have given preposition of time, which is in, on, at. Next third column is complement. Okay, means on which day or time it occurs. Okay, let's see. So first one is Mujir meets his friend on Monday. Second one, our school bus comes here at 8 a.m. Third one, my cousin will return in the morning. Fourth one, Karthik goes for a walk at night. Fifth one, he does his homework at sunset. Okay, these are the 5 sentences. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4.9. Okay, let's see that. So here we have given habitual actions. So this worksheet is all about writing part. Okay, let's see the first Roman. Read the habitual actions of Mujir. Okay. So first one is Mujir wakes up daily at 6 a.m. Second one, he goes to namaz on every Friday. Third one, he does exercise in the morning. Fourth one, he collects photos of cricketers for sports album. Fifth one, he watches TV for an hour in the evening. Okay. Now here we have to write down our habitual actions. Okay. In the bracket we have given wake up, take bath, brush, go to school, play games. So by using that we have to make our habitual action. So first one is I wake up daily at 6 a.m. Second one, I take a bath at 7 a.m. Third one, I brush my teeth in the morning. Fourth one, I go to school at 8 a.m. Fifth one, I play games daily in the evening. Okay, let's move on to the next Roman. Here, your teacher will dictate you some words. You have to listen it very carefully and write down the words without any spelling mistakes. Okay, here I have given some words. Your teacher will give these or else as she or he wills. Okay, let's see this. So first one is idea. IDEA. Second one is dream. DREAM. Third one, success. SUCCESS. Fourth one, divine. DIVINE. Fifth one, courage. COURAGE. Okay. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4.10. Okay, here reading comprehension is given. So in the first Roman we have given biographical sketch of Jyoti Rao Phule with the help of the hints given below. So here we have given some hints about Jyoti Rao Phule. Okay, now what we have to do, by using that hints, we have to write down a passage type. Okay, so let's see the answer for this. By using these hints, we have to complete our passage. So answer is Jyoti Rao Phule, the great social reformer, was born on 11th April 1827 to Govindharao and Chinnabai in Kadgan. His wife was Savitribai Phule. He was also an educationist. He got the award Mahatma. He died on 28th November 1890 in Pune. Okay, now we'll move to the second Roman. Here your teacher will dictate you some, means any paragraph. You have to listen to it and write it down. Here I have given this paragraph. So answer is Narendra was good at studies as well as games. He listened to the teacher carefully. He could remember whatever was taught by the teacher. He never forgets anything, even if listened to it only once. Okay guys, now we'll move to the question and answer. So first question is, who were the parents of Vivekananda? Answer, Narendranath Datta and Bhuvaneshwari Devi. So second one is, when was he born? Answer, he was born on 12th January 1863. Third question, how was he called in his childhood? Answer, he was called Narendra in his childhood. Okay, let's see the fourth question, which is, what did he say to the teacher who punished him? Answer, he said that he didn't commit any error. He was sure that he is right. Fifth one, how did his mother console him? Answer, she said that not to worry if you are correct. Sixth one, why didn't Narendra ran away on hearing ghost? Answer, because he didn't see the ghost. Seventh one, whose teachings inspired him? Answer, Bhagavad Gita and Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa inspired him. Okay guys, these are the question and answers. Now we'll move to the checkpoint 2 from lesson 3 and 4. Okay, so here in the first one we are given one passage and below that we have some question and answers. Let's see the question first. Whose teaching inspired Narendra? Answer, Bhagavad Gita and Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Second question, what made Narendra a great spiritual leader? Narendra's nature of fearlessness, love for mankind and concentration. Let's move on to the third question, which is, what is the opposite of love? Hate. Fourth one, what does he refer in the above paragraph? Answer, Swami Vivekananda. Fifth one, why was Narendra called Swami? Answer, it is because of his great spiritual qualities. Okay, let's see the second Roman. Here match the following is given. We have to match it according to its synonyms. Means we have to match its meaning. So concentration meaning is attention. Love meaning is affection. Happy meaning is joyful. Next. Quick meaning is fast. Hurriedly meaning is quickly. Okay, let's see the next Roman, which is, here some sentences are given. What we have to do? We have to rewrite again by using punctuation marks in the sentences. Okay, let's see the answers. How old are you? H is capital in the beginning and it is ending with question mark. Second one is, what a beautiful rainbow it is. So it starts with capital W and ending with exclamatory mark. Third one, I live in Ongole. Started with I capital and ending with full stop. Next, fourth one is, I want to become an IAS officer. So I is capital in the beginning and ending with full stop. Next, fifth one, how beautiful this garden is. Started with H capital and ending with exclamatory mark. Next, we'll move to the fourth Roman, which is, write a short paragraph describing a place you have visited. Okay, here you have to write down a paragraph where you have visited in your holiday trip. Okay, so here I am writing this. If you want, you can copy paste the same, or else you just write it down with your own. Okay, let's see. Bhavini Island is a well-known tourist spot in Vijayawada. We feel a cool breeze and enjoy looking at the great nature. We see many good-looking scenery there. The water around the island is very pleasant. It is the place for lots of fun and enjoyment. Okay guys, this is the end of this fourth unit. So I hope you all got the answers and you all like this video. If you like it guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please do join me on WhatsApp or else Telegram also. Okay guys, so you may ask me your queries there about your particular class, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and bye bye, take care.